Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Ever use Google Maps to get somewhere and ended up totally lost just because you typed one wrong digit in the address? You're standing there like, wait, how did I end up in a dead-end street instead of that cute little cafe? Yeah, one tiny mistake and boom, the whole route changes. Frustrating, right? Well, your website works kind of the same way. That small htaccess file, it's like the Google Maps of your website. It controls the paths, the redirects, who gets access to what, and what shows up when someone lands on a page. But just like maps, if there's a typo or the wrong rule in there, your visitors could hit weird errors or land somewhere they really shouldn't. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your htaccess file using cPanel's file manager the right way, without breaking anything. Don't try all this on unreliable hosting. That's why I recommend YouStable. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and gives you full cPanel access. So you can edit files, take backups, and manage your site without the stress. Go check it out if you want smooth hosting without the guesswork. Alright, let's jump in. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Now, go to the Files section and click File Manager. There is a list of file directories that contain the .htaccess file. Hypertext access, or .htaccess file, is a hidden file. First, go to Settings and check the Show All Hidden Files option. Click the Save button. Now, click the directory name public_HTML to open it in the adjoining window. First, right-click the .htaccess file, then select the Edit option. If you want to change the encoding, you can change it now. Otherwise, click the Edit button. Let's make some changes to the PHP version as per our requirements. Now, click the Save Changes button, save it. Success! We have made changes in the .htaccess file. Thank you for watching.